Welcome to my channel, Ricky Maths Teacher. My name is Likith Kumar L and I would like to teach for grade 9 mathematics, that's triangles. In the last class, I have taught fertile SAS congruence rule. Yes, SAS congruence rule. Today, we will continue from example 1. So, before starting the video, I would like to request for like, share and subscribe. And also comment if anything happened in this video or right or wrong. If you comment, you please advise what you need. Okay. So moving on to the example 1. Here, like this way one figure is drawn. Now, in the question, I will read the question and I will something whatever given in the points, whatever given the points, I will write in the board. In figure 7.8, we are given, I write directly write the answer. OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB. Then OC is equal to OD. Also OC is equal to OD. Now what we need to prove? Two things are there to prove. AOD angle AOD is congruent to triangle VOC and also AD parallel to BC. Okay, what is the proof? What is the proof? We have we need to write first given OA, which is the point for congruence. So OC OD which is given. OA is equal to OB, OD is equal to OC or OC is equal to OD. It's given. And also we know that here we have ticked the angles. Here an angle, here an angle. So angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. How? Vertically opposite angles written as POA. So we have understood now two sides and one angle. Two sides and included angle are equal to the corresponding two sides and one included angle of another triangle. Then it is congruent as in the SAS congruence rule, and therefore AOD is congruent to triangle BOC as in SAS rule. Another thing is there to prove. What is that another thing? In triangles there are three elements, three sides and three angles. Here three angles. Here one, here one, here one. Four, and here and 2, 6. Are there? There are two triangles. So three in one, another 3 in 2. Second triangle. So we mention one angle OAD. Angle OAD is equal to angle BOC. OBC angle OPC. This is alternate. This is alternate angles. Therefore, AD parallel to BC. If the alternate angles are equal, this one and this one are equal, then it is then the two lines are parallel. Okay. In the second example I will draw. No, I will directly write the answer. I will read the question. Given. What is given? AB is a line segment. Given AB line segment and line L perpendicular bisector. AB is a line segment and line L is a perpendicular bisector. Now, if a point P, they are also given point P lies on a line L. Now we need to prove PA is equal to PB. How their question is like this way. Show that P is equidistant to A and B, means PA is equal to PB. See here, PA should be as equal as PB. Both sides should be equal. So prove. Showing the proof. So AC, we know that AC is equal to BC. How do you know? Here perpendicular bisector has been drawn here. When a perpendicular bisector has been drawn, anything which is in the middle, then it becomes the midpoint. See here, C is a midpoint here. Point L is drawn, line L is drawn through point P and crosses through point C, and then it becomes a perpendicular bisector. Then C becomes the midpoint. So AC becomes as equal as BC. One thing we have remembered. And also P here, when the perpendicular bisector is drawn, then the two sides becomes 90 degree. Perpendicular means the straight line. Here 90 degree, here as well the 90 degree. So PCA is also 90 degree. PCB also 90 degree. So PCA is equal to PCB is equal to 90 degree, which is given. And even third one, here there is a common, when the perpendicular bisector is drawn, then the two triangles have a one common line, which is PC. PC is equal to PC, which is common line or common. Therefore, two sides and included angle are equal to the two sides and corresponding two sides and included angle, then it becomes then two triangles are congruent according to the SAS congruency rule. So triangle PCA is congruent to yes SAS congruence rule. According to the SAS congruence rule, triangle PCA is equal to triangle PCB. Okay, and another question is there. Another question. We need to prove that P is equivalent distance to A and B. Means PA is equal to PB. First we need to prove what? Congruence rule. Then we need to prove PA is equal to PB. Therefore, PA is equal to PB. How? CP, CD congruent triangles na corresponding sides. The corresponding sides of congruent triangles. If the two triangles are congruent, then all the corresponding sides or angles are equal. So I would like to stop this video. Okay, please like, share, subscribe and advise for me through the comments. Okay, and don't forget to press the bell icon to all options. Okay, so thank you for listening my lesson so patiently. I hope you have understood this lesson.